I want to go over another case which I think is a good learning opportunity to really understand what happens when a tooth is infected. My patient had an infection on tooth number 19. The diagnosis was necrotic with symptomatic apical periodontitis. He was complaining of a lot of aching pain and throbbing pain in his lower jaw, radiating to his ear, and he had no swelling, there was no sinus tract, but as you could see on the x-ray, there's a big decay in the area. We opened it up and we disinfected. We found 4 canals, 2 mesials and 2 distals. On the final x-ray, you could see that the mesials have their own exit, apical exit, 2 distinct mesial canals. Distals actually converged into 1 apical exit. Now I want to talk about what happens when a tooth is necrotic. The tooth dies and inflammation builds up, leading down to the destruction of the periodontium around the root. A healthy tooth has something called PDL, which is periodontal ligament. It's a ligament that holds the tooth, the alveolar bone. So we spoke about the PDL, which is the periodontal ligament. Now we're going to talk about the lamina dura, which is the dense bone lining the tooth socket. The lamina dura surrounds the tooth socket, forming a bony wall that the PDL fibers attach to. And when there's an infection, you get to see the lamina dura disappears and the PDL actually becomes widened. Over time, there's a radiolucency that forms around those apices, which denotes that the infection is growing, and you see a dark area around it.